Okay, back again. Just doing the other side of the front nose this morning. I've already made up a repair panel, and I've got pretty much where I want it to be. I've made the mistake yesterday of not putting the reverse curve in there. You can see it as I flex it in the sun. That's to match this here. What I've done is I've basically just cut this piece. That was the piece of metal that I had, so it's not trimmed down, and I can only get to it from the front side. I know it's a bit dark in here, but it pretty much matches up perfectly. So rather than cutting way too much of this skin away, what I'm going to do is I've traced the outline of the new piece onto here, and now I can go through and see whereabouts this rust isn't too bad, because I want to keep as much of this as I can. So the idea is to come back and sort of mark where there's still paint. This rust isn't too bad here, so I could probably get away with just going all the way, but one thing I'll do is just cut it there, down, then come in a bit, and then what I'll do is I'll put this back on the other side and then trace the new line on it, and then I can actually trim this to match that, and I'll do a butt joint. The other one was a lap joint, so this will be a butt joint. That was a bit rough yesterday, so I should have cleaned the back end of it, the back side of this panel a bit better, but I didn't, so that's just how it's going to be. I'm going to rust treat it now and seal it all up, but it was definitely a bit rough, but that's okay. I'll take a bit more time on this side, and yeah, I'll bring you back